UnitLab Converter Calculator is a versatile Android application designed for converting various units of measurement in scientific and everyday contexts. This app is particularly useful for students, professionals, and anyone working with measurements, providing a convenient way to convert between different units quickly and accurately. The app typically supports a wide range of categories, including length, weight, temperature, volume, area, and more. Users can effortlessly switch between metric, imperial, and other measurement systems, facilitating precise calculations for experiments, recipes, or other applications. With its intuitive interface, the UnitLab Converter Calculator allows users to input values and select the desired conversion units easily. Some versions of the app may also include additional features like calculation history, unit definitions, and customizable settings for enhanced user experience. Overall, this application serves as an invaluable tool for anyone needing reliable and efficient unit conversions, streamlining the process of working with different measurements.